Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's April the 18th, 2021. We are here to give you all the price prediction update in the market for XRP. You guys can see we got you. We told you already that the market in XRP was weak about 3 days ago, while everyone is screaming, trying to do emergency live streams, trying to tell you to buy the dip, while we knew all along that the market in XRP was weak way before anyone else saw this coming. So we're not surprised to see the market in XRP down 12.5% today. We're not. We saw that. We expected that. And this is one of the most powerful things that you can actually get a hold of and actually beat the market. While everyone else is scurrying around trying to figure out what happened, how did this market dip 12.5% for XRP, we were already in position, sitting back, waiting for them to actually get there. So if you all want to learn more about this, make sure before you head out, hit the like button, share video, and also subscribe here to our channel, because the information that we have is literally powerful. While everyone else is running around confused, we're simply sitting back, already in position, capitalizing on their fearfulness. All right. So now let's break this down real quick. Like I said, it was about 3 days ago since we did our price prediction in the market for XRP. You guys can see we expected the market to dip, to go lower. Our expectation was to see the market try to hold support right here at around $1.50, and literally it tried to play itself out yesterday, right? But take a look at where the market closed yesterday. We closed at the very bottom of the bar. That was a massive indication that the continuation of weakness was still in play. That's why the market in XRP broke the trend. So if anything, we've gotten what? 13% out the market. If we were to get out today, right now at the last trade, we'll have 22%, all within 3 days, under the premise of expecting where the market trap is going to go. You guys got to expect that. The only way that you can really win into the market and minimize losses is by being in position right before the market gets to the price level that you're expecting it to go. So congratulations to you. If you all saw our video, if you all took action and saw that coming, you at least escaped from the massive losses that so many people saw coming, or didn't see coming, excuse me. So now that is over, that is done with. One thing that we already pinpointed on our video 3 days ago was the fact that $1.90 was restriction. And literally the market in XRP could not even break above it the next 3 days. And on top of that, take a look at the ascending line. We broke the trend. So already we are under the premise that the market in XRP is not going to go higher in price. Not yet. So we have two other options left on the table. Either the market in XRP will continue to drop, or we'll see the market start trading sideways. But don't expect the market in XRP to go higher in price. Not yet. Based off the volume, based off the spread today, lets us know that this market, if anything, is not ready to go higher yet. The sentiment has changed in XRP right alongside the rest of the cryptocurrency space. You know, XRP is not the only cryptocurrency that is going through the same type of price action. It's the whole cryptocurrency space. So what is really going on into the market, you may be wondering? Well, simply put, the market, as always, can only go higher so long. It cannot do that into perpetuity, into infinity. It has to break down eventually. And this is what's going on. You know, when you run out of that demand, that interest, the amount of money that people can place in these cryptocurrencies, you will have to drop the price at least to an attractable level to where people will at least come back in and try to buy more of this currency. See, this is what's going on into the market right now in the cryptocurrency space. The trap had to drop down the price to an attractable level so that people can finally come back in and say, okay, these prices look real reasonable to where I will come in and start purchasing more of these cryptocurrencies. So expect that. Okay. So real quick, let's look at the market in XRP on a 3-day time frame. And here it is. You guys can tell that the very wide spread, it is something that we've been accustomed to. I mean, we started seeing these wide spreads in XRP all the way back on that 3-day price bar that started on April the 4th. You know, the market has been giving us very wide spreads, and it only has been going in one direction though. So for us to see a wide spread down lets us know that, okay, we need to reevaluate what the market in XRP is going to do going forward, especially seeing that the market has broken that ascending line. So for us, let's first create our trading channel. Okay. So let's do that real quick. Let's switch this over to the 1 hour time frame, and we're going to create a trading channel now, okay? Because the market in XRP is no longer in a upward trend, okay? So that is going to be the restriction area right there around $1.50. It's where the market is going to be ultimately in restriction, but you can see here that $1.40 also is restriction as well, okay? So let me bring it up to this particular point here. You know what? I might bring it down. Let me see this on a 3 hour chart real quick. On the 5 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it up here towards $1.50, give or take. All right. So that is going to be our support area into the market in XRP. Our restriction area. And this is going to be our support area right here. Okay. So we're going to look for the market in XRP to trade within this trading channel. These two lines on our chart. Let's take away this $1.90 because the market found that as restriction. It is no longer being applicable for us as of this moment. So looking at the market in XRP right now, yeah, the strength is coming in. Now, the only problem is trying to make the determination as to where the next area of weakness will be. Will it be around $1.40 or right there around $1.50? Literally, we just need to make that determination in the market in XRP. And I kind of like what the 4 hour chart is giving us as well to show that there is definitely still strength coming into the market in XRP. Just need to keep our eyes focused on $1.41 up there towards $1.50. So that looks good, right? If you're playing this on a day-to-day time frame, the market in XRP is definitely giving us a lot of strength in this space. But when you switch it over to the daily time frame, like daily and longer 2-day, 3-day time frame, definitely need to keep our eyes open on this very wide spread, as well as how low the market can continually go for XRP. 3-day time frame, you guys can see right here, a lot of volatility. The volume has been decent. It has been maintaining the activity of a lot of the market participants over the last, 15 days of trading. The market volume has definitely been in play for XRP. And now people are still believing that XRP is still a buy at these particular price levels. Because if it wasn't, the market right now would be towards the low of that current 3-day price bar. So now looking at this on a weekly time frame, look at this. We've definitely seen the volume come through in XRP in the last 2 weeks. We cannot deny that. It lets us know how active the market has been, and definitely it tells us precisely what the market is trying to do. All right. A lot of profit was taken out the market as XRP was trading up there around $2 this week. For us to come all the way back down here towards the low lets us know that there's finally an opportunity for those who feel that XRP is a purchase, it's a buy, is trying to do that right now. You guys can see that we're coming right back here to where we started in XRP on last week. We closed here, we opened here, and now we're seeing the market in XRP close there right now. So now, very good run. But now we're seeing weakness entering the market in XRP. Okay, so now how do you want to play this? Do you want to play this on the hourly time frame, or do you want to play this on the long term? Because long term, definitely the market in XRP is not hyped to continue to go high in price. Not in the long term. All right. Definitely need to see that market continue to give us strength. So if anything, we're just going to play the market in XRP to consolidate. Hourly time frame, yes, the market can give us some strength, movement higher, right? I like what's going on the 4 hour time frame. Even on the 3 hour time frame, the market definitely continues to hint that it wants to go high in price, right? But I'm not expecting it to go too high. $1.40, maybe $1.45 as a very quick area of touch. And then the market will have to be reevaluated. Okay, so you can do that. But if anything, today is an opportunity to sit back and let the market work itself out. You know, when you have a massive movement as double-digit losses or movement to the downside, this is not the opportunity to jump in and think the market is ready to go back up to higher prices unless you're able to watch the market or the price charts continually. Okay, so now For us, we're not going to place a prediction here into the market in XRP, even though we can see the market go higher in price on an hourly time frame. Weekly time frame, yeah, the market is giving us a lot of weakness. The trend is broken. We are expecting the market to trade in between these two lines over the next 3 days. Okay, that's it. So now we're not going to do a price prediction. You know, you have to learn how to be conservative, know when to jump into the market, when to jump out, when to participate, when not to participate in these markets. And today is just an opportunity for us to sit back and let everyone else work this out. And once we see something more attractive, then we'll come back in and play with everyone else. But as of this moment, just let it work itself out. Take a breather, take a break, go do something else, and let us come back and see what happens in the next 3 days. And then we'll jump back in the market, because the trap will definitely let us know what he expects. All right, so this is it. Nothing here. Now, you can, if you want, you know, drop a price prediction in our comment section. Let us know where you all expect XRP to go in the next 3 days. But for us, we're going to sit back, kick back, and just relax and let the market work. And then we'll come back in and play. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.